5 high-paying side hustles you can start today. Side hustles have become ubiquitous in our culture, with 1 in 2 Americans engaged in a side hustle or freelancing alongside their full-time job, as per a recent MarketWatch survey. While many side hustles hold the promise of substantial income, some require more time to establish than others. If you're pressed for time, or recently laid off, waiting months or years to kickstart your venture isn't feasible. Here are 5 high-paying side hustles you can begin today, requiring only a few hours to set up, perhaps even an all-nighter if you're driven enough. However, launching is just the start. Ongoing market research and refinement are crucial to sustain relevance and consistent income. 1. Domain flipping. Similar to stock market investment, domain flipping involves buying website domains at a low price and selling them on domain marketplaces for a profit. Researching domain quality and market trends is essential for informed decision-making. This side hustle requires minimal investment, with domains sometimes as cheap as $10. Annual earnings can exceed $100,000 for some, while part-timers typically make $200 to $500 monthly. 2. E-commerce. E-commerce offers boundless opportunities across platforms like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and Shopify. Research your niche, identify high-demand products, and explore various selling methods such as digital products, dropshipping, or handmade goods. If you're loving what you're watching so far, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribing means you'll stay updated with all my latest content, and your support truly means everything to me. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next segment. 3. Fitness vlogging. The booming health and fitness industry presents an opportunity for fitness vlogging. With a good phone camera and basic lighting, you can start sharing fitness content. As your following grows, leverage your platform for affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and offering fitness-related services. 4. Printable art. Etsy enables selling digital art without inventory or physical tools. If you possess design skills and software, create printable art for sale. 5. Spreadsheets. Create and sell spreadsheet templates for business plans, project management, budgeting, and financial management using Google Sheets or Excel. These complement other side hustles like vlogging. While these ideas can launch swiftly, sustained success hinges on post-launch efforts. Continuous research, analysis, and adaptability are vital for building a lucrative income from these side hustles.